satellite scan.
Thank you.
Yeah, copy, I'm behind you. Turning left in by Johnny, vehicle turning left in by Johnny.
Show us your hands! Show us your hands! Thank you! Okay, good morning. Step out of the vehicle for me and show us your hands, please. Step out of the vehicle and show us your hands, please. Okay, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. Fine, thanks in yourself. Alright, I'm going to tell you why we're stopping you. We are from the anti-hijacking unit. This vehicle is circulated as a wanted vehicle involved in murder and robbery.
Murder and robbery?
Yes, sir.
You can fall in the business car.
Wait. I'm telling you, this is why we're stopping you. We're going to show you everything.
Yes,
Alright, so, are you armed in any way?
I am not armed.
Alright, I'm going to put my gun away so that we can talk to each other. Alright, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good and you, thank you.
I'm doing well.
Alright, I'm going to... Okay, I want you to step out of the vehicle for me as well, please.
Yes,
Alright, I'm going to show you. Guys, Fred, just bring us this stuff quickly. Yeah, this vehicle is circulated. That's fine. Just
JK,
there.
you guys check the number plate.
Yes,
JK,
absolutely. 100%. 100%. This vehicle was involved in a robbery and a murder in Nelspruit.
A robbery?
Yes. Can I come here for me quickly? I just want to search you. No, there. Just stand by the vehicle for me, please. Just get a hold of... Okay, do you guys carry any weapons or anything in your vehicles?
No.
Nothing?
I have a gas gun for protection by
Okay.
right now.
That's it. Okay.
It's a gas gun.
That's fine. Alright. Just stand here for me. Whatever we do is being recorded from that side, from this side, everything. Alright. Just so that you guys know, we're going to show you what's happening now. We're just making sure on the vehicle itself that we have the exact right vehicle. But this number plate, 100% the car like this one exactly. Unless they've cloned your number plate. Is it the wanted one? 100%. Alright. Yes. Alright, what I need you to do for me here is come and sit down for me here, please. Alright, you might be arrested.
I might be arrested.
You might be arrested, absolutely. Have a
Can I
seat.
call the company, please, of the car?
Where are the company?
The company car.
Where
The
are
company
they?
Car.
Where's the company?
I'm going to call the owner of the company.
Okay, give me 1 second. Listen to me. Listen.
Later for you.
Alright.
I've been listening to you
Alright.
since you guys
Okay,
got
if you're
here.
going to give me a hard time, I'm going to cuff you. And I'm going to not be nice with you. Alright, so please do not give me a hard time. Please don't give me a hard
What
time.
time am I giving you if I followed all your
Alright,
instructions?
okay.
And I'm asking to do one thing.
You can do
I'm
that.
asking to make a call.
You can-
And you say I'm being hard.
Verstaan jy Afrikaans?
Ek verstaan Afrikaans.
Alright, kom ons gesels die taal wat ek en jy albei mooi verstaan. Moenie vir my 'n harde tyd gee nie.
Ek gee jou nie hard.
Okay, nou my vriend, jy gee my bietjie attitude nou. Ek verstaan, hou vas, ek verstaan. Hierdie is 'n moeilike situasie. Okay. Ek is nie hier om jou lewe moeilik te maak nie. Ek is hier om vir jou te help. Glo vir my. Jy's nie die eerste, die tweede, die derde of die 100ste persoon wat ek dit doen nie. Ek doen dit vir 34 jaar. So ek is nie hier om vir jou dinge moeilik te maak nie, asseblief. Okay, ek wil met jou nice wees. Want ek vermoed daar's iets meer rondom dit alles. So maar as jy wil, kan ek dit doen. Dan sit ek vir jou boeie aan, ek laat jou lê hierso. Wil jy ek moet dit doen? Wil jy ek moet dit doen? Ja of nee? Ek het nie nodig dat jy enigiemand bel nie. Jy's 'n verdagte wat in 'n bylaag 1 misdaad in 'n motor gevind is. Ek verstaan, hierdie is nie lekker nie.
Dit is nie lekker nie.
Nee, maar ek kan lelik wees. Ek kan jou net vanaf vang en jou op die vloer sit, maar ek het dit nie gedoen nie.
Ek het nie 'n probleem. Ek sal ook mense bel. Ek sal ook myself
En dit is fine. Dit is fine. Dan doen jy dit.
Recording.
Yes.
Recording.
That's good. As long as it's now, you're welcome to record and you have access to everything we're doing. Alright, jy kan dit nou doen. Dis
Lisa.
Are they on their way? Ja. Okay, ek wil hê jy moet my vriend, wat is jou naam?
My naam is Kananelo Colvin Malo.
Nee, Malu.
Kananelo Colvin Malo. Yes.
Okay, sit vir my plat hier so asseblief.
Ja. Rocky, go get it, go get it.
Huh?
Or something. Hy moet werk toe gaan. Hy kom nie werk.
Okay, julle is al twee in die kar. Sorry my vriend.
Oh.
Albei van julle, sit vir my plat hier so asseblief. Sit vir my plat. Ek wil nie 'n hond stuur om iemand te hardloop. Ek onthou ek ken julle nie. So sit flat vir my vriend. I'm sorry my buddy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Or something in the car, but
Check the car, guys. The car is open.
No, we can't. We're not going to check anything now.
yeah. But
All right,
I'm
sit down.
saying, like, you've
Yes.
got a white pants. Have you got a jacket in the car?
No, just wait. Hallo. Goed en jy, dankie. Yes. Ons het hom gehak. Ons staan nie by hom. Yes, ons het hom. Alright, dankie my seun. Okay, dankie baie. Daar's hy.
Nobody has murder.
Ah,
So now
kyk
you
daar.
understand.
Alright,
So this is very
Let me
serious.
check the number plate.
ons vriend, ons is nie om jou lewe vir jou moeilik te
I
maak nie.
understand what you're saying.
Alright.
I understand what you're saying.
Reg number JK12CZ GP engine number the number that type. That's
And there's the
Mercedes
car.
grey and there's your vehicle.
Alright, you understand what we're saying?
Is the spoiler off of that vehicle?
Yeah, spoilers off. I can show you here. What's this? My car's got it.
No, my friend, we're not here to make things difficult. We're doing our job. That's all.
Priority 1. Reason, using armed robbery, murder. Yeah? There's your spoiler, that is all.
Who was murdered?
No, we don't know. We're just the ones, it says anti-hijacking unit. We're not the investigators.
Oh.
We're the people who catch you. Chakalas, môre goed en jy, dankie.
Kan nie klaar nie.
Die man is al sedert 2019 in besit van die motor, nê? Ja.
2019 September.
Alright, wat hy die voertuig het. So en dit is 'n 2021 saak. En ons het niks van clowning of niks gekry of enigiets nie, so ons het vir hulle mooi vertel. Ek het vir hom gesê ons is nice met hulle, al die pad so ver.
Ja.
Ons het hulle nog nie geboei nie. So
Do you know why you car is
jy kan Afrikaans praat, hy verstaan mooi.
Weet jy hoekom?
Het ons nie vir jou gesê nie.
Moord. Ja, moord. Ek het 24 dink.
My vriend,
Maar ek sê nie vir
12-jarige kinders. Het jy al gesien 12-jarige kinders in die skool steek mekaar met messe?
Ek is 24. Ek maak my eie daar. Ja. Nou, wat nodig ek
Ons weet, ons ken jou mos nie, ons weet nie.
Kennis is iemand wat jouself verskil sê. Kennis jy
Ja, jy weet, ons weet nie, ons ken jou nie.
Wat is naam? Weet nie.
So what do we do from here?
Okay, now we're going to the police station. Okay? At the police station, I'm going to phone the detective of Nelspruit. At the police station, I'm going to find out what's going on with this car, what is the situation of this car. If I have all the information, either what the detective tells me, I'm either going to arrest you or not arrest you. So it depends. Alright.
Hou vas, ek gaan net gou kyk hierso. Frik, a masker. Just give him a masker. He's going to give you a mask there. Have you got one in your car? Okay. Okay. A mask for him.
Oh yeah, they said my lawyers, they're going to send me a lawyer, okay? No problem, it's fine. Because it's not that arrested or the
Yeah, remember you're not, jy's nog nie gearresteer. You want to go, little daar, open there by you. He can call them there.
Okay, I'll take Karen with me.
Zara?
Daar. Don't want to wait to see people.
Ja. Kara hier! Kep! Hier Kara! Kara hier!
Just taking a
Kom!
perimeter, Paul.
Kom!
You got me.
Kijk,
Taking a
Kep!
perimeter.
Kep jy! Zuzu, Kep!
Yep, yeah.
Alright.
Just take a perimeter.
This gentleman, a case was opened. This was a case that was opened.
In Nelspruit.
In Nelspruit. Nah, due to a robbery and murder.
His vehicle.
That is what it says. Due to a robbery and murder.
Robbery and murder.
But now the thing is, nah, he says he knows this thing what happened. He was in an accident with a drunk policeman. And then he and the policeman had an agreement that the policeman is going to fix his car and pay for the money for the car. So the policeman did withdraw money and give him, but not the full amount that was agreed upon. So then he didn't bother further to
communicate with the
policeman. He said he was in Nelspruit. He doesn't deny
It was at a club.
anything. But now this policeman, after he paid him the money, he went and opened this case against him. Now the car is positive. The car is circulated.
He also said to the policeman, to protect myself, I'm going to take a video
He's got a
of the
video.
conversation between us. So he's got it on his phone. So he's got that video, but none of us knew about anything, so we apprehended the crime. So, but he said he's got the video, so now we understand what happened. So the cops thought, let me go and open the case.
I've got the video here, I can play for you guys. And you guys will listen to the thing.
This policeman is your friend or?
He's not my friend. When I came out of the club, he had bumped my car. You hear him say, from my mistake, just put it close to
Thanks.
Are you the same company with those guys, NoJack?
I'm the boss of NoJack.
Oh, you're doing a great job. I'm watching your videos.
Oh, thank you.
You're doing a very good.
But they taught me, in this building I was taught. You see, I went to the college in 1986. Yes, I was until 1997. Then I left nie gisteraand nie, maar dan was hy gedetained.
Ja.
Ons is bly, weet jy, ons het jou amper ons het gewag vir jou gisteraand. Nou as jy ons if we found you last night, you would have been detained. So if you're a believer and you pray, you say, Lord, thank you so much that they only found me this morning. Kom ons jou van die begin af gesê, ons is hier om jou te help.
Ja.
Jy kan bly sê die in jou vir my sit vir my jou selfoonnommer in daar asseblief. Dankie. Okay. Luister gou. Gaan jy omgee as ons hierdie video gebruik? Kan ons dit doen? Ons maak mooi video's van mense om te wys hoe ons dit doen. Is jy happy daarmee? Daar's hy. Dankie. Okay, this is November Juliet 1. Standing down from the Merc from Benoni police station. feedback on this is this gentleman was in Nelspruit at the time. Video of the whole incident is on his telephone. It was a police officer that was under the influence that damaged his vehicle and then opened a case against him for murder and robbery. So with Sergeant Powell, we're at Benoni Police Station. We checked the cash system, everything, and fortunate for the person, the owner of the vehicle, the Mercedes-Benz, it was all on video. So yeah, the vehicle unfortunately has to go to the SAP 13 as per directive, but there will be no detention.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider. Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, all number plates that pass snipers' cameras are recorded and cross-referenced. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the Sniper team for more information.